Hello everyone, so today I'd like to share with you a flip book that I made. I was in a swap over at Snail Mail Flip Book Group. I have a flip book swap, and this month's theme was Pot of Gold. You were to use, there it is one more time, you were to use to make any style you wanted, and as long as it had gold in every single page. And the main paper collection I used was this one. It is so pretty. I love those flamingos. Anyways, what I don't like about this paper is that it's really thin, like really thin paper. This is a lot, if I were to compare it, I would say it's a lot like wrapping paper, and it's kind of like, it has like that smooth, kind of like semi-glossy texture to it. That's exactly what it feels like in this, even though I do love the patterns. So what I had to do was my base, I made it out of, I made the base out of cardstock. And then I had to, paper it. Anyway, so again, this time I ended up using these. If you remember my last flip book, I used this one right here. This time I used this, but I only used 4 of the squares. And if you have this, oh my gosh, I love these. These fit perfectly in here. Other items that I use, and if you have any questions on some of the items that I use, just let me know. I made some little envelopes with this. My belly band, last time I used a headband. This time I used this, and this is stretchy. That's why I used that. I used some of these tags, and I made my own. And then I used some of these. So that's that, and on to my flip book. And I know I am kind of zoomed out, but it's because, once I open it up, it is going to be pretty large. I mean, it's not going to be super big, but yeah. So here it is. So I really like how it turned out. I did want to make something a little bit different, and this is more like I was going for the gatefold, and this is what it looks like. I really like it. This is my favorite page from that paper collection. I love those flamingos. They're so cute. And I did want to use flamingos throughout the whole entire book, and feathers, because if you see, it has all these pretty feathers. See? But I totally forgot about it, and I didn't. Anyway, so here's the front, and I really like how that turned out. Like I said, we have to use gold in every single page. So I take that off. And this is what it looks like when you first open it, like this. And so these are the flaps. So I'm just gonna go through it super quick. If you, like I said, if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. Here's some flamingo stickers, some ephemera, just some gold accents, and on this one there's that flamingo washi, and it's so cute. And then here's some more ephemera, and then I backed it up with some gold. This one says having fun. And then you open it up again, and then here are different feathers, and then I have some sequins, and then I have this that says choose to shine. And here's this card, do your best. And then I made this into a pocket, and these are the tags that I made. And that's what that looks like. And I didn't do anything to them. That way my partner can choose to use them as she wishes to. And then this is just a little die cut piece that I fussy cut. It says let the fun begin, and then this one says let life surprise you. And then here's another little vellum pocket. And then here are those from Target, and these I did alter just a little, as you can see, and I think they came out super cute. These are just ephemera pieces, and this one says stay strong just because, and then some washi on the bottom, and I can see that one almost coming off. So there they are. And then this one already came with this the vellum piece, so I just left it there, and that on the top says fabulous. And then here is the first flap, and this is from the Dollar Tree. This came from a sticker collection, more ephemera. This is from Hobby Lobby, and then I put this sticker that says life, and I think that came out super cute. There's my gold, and then you open this, and then in the middle it says best day, and then be amazed. There's my gold. This one I kept it really simple because originally this was supposed to go in the inside. It was supposed to go like this, but if you see that it was adding too much bulk, so I had no other choice but to do it this way. So that's why I try to keep this one as simple as possible. And then the one that comes down says every little thing. It's by Heidi Swapp. And then this, I made it into a pocket. And then these are the little envelopes that I made using that waffle flower stamp, and it's so cute. I really like it. Super cute. So that way she can use them as she wishes. And then this, you open that up, and then on top we have that piece. If you know, it's from Michaels. That laugh is by Heidi Swapp, and more ephemera pieces. And then this is the center, and here is my pocket little page, whatever you want to call it. So the top, it says you are so fabulous, and there's more of the Flamingo washi. And then it says add a little confetti to every day. And so then I have here some sequins, and the sequins to coordinate with the whole theme of this, with the whole colors. Live, laugh, love. And then little things make big days. Super cute. And then on the other side of that, say yes to new adventures, choose to shine, and hello you. And then this is a pocket by Heidi Swapp, and this is like in her planner section. And then it says stay simple. Super cute flamingo right there. And then I put inside, these are washi sheets, and this is it came in that same collection. And it's this one right here. It's the Dear Lizzie washi tape. It's that one. It comes in sheets, so I cut it so it can fit in here, and it's really, really cute. And that's pretty much it, ladies. That's my whole flip book. I hope you've enjoyed watching this, and like I said, if you have any questions on anything that you saw, just let me know, and I'll be more than happy to help you. And there it is. Hope you like it. Please let me know what you think, and thanks for watching. Have a fantastic day. Bye.